Let's start with half a tablespoon of gelatin powder and 3 tablespoons of water to a heat-proof bowl or a stand mixer bowl. Stir to combine, then leave for 2 minutes to let the gelatin bloom. To a high-sided saucepan on low heat, add 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup or honey, a 1/4 cup of water, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Stir to combine. Stop stirring and let the water, sugar and syrup come to the boil. Once the marshmallow syrup reaches 115 degrees Celsius or 240 degrees Fahrenheit, remove from the heat. Place the bloom gelatin on a stand mixer or use the hand mixer to whisk the gelatin and marshmallow syrup. Slowly add the hot syrup to the gelatin mixture and whisk on medium speed to combine. Once combined, whisk at high speed. When marshmallow thickens and forms a soft ribbon, it's time to fill a piping bag ready to fill the ice cream cones. Pipe marshmallow in each mini cone. For a special treat, add half a teaspoon of homemade sherbet to some of the mini cones. I'll leave the link to my homemade sherbet in the description box. Now fill with marshmallow. Now it's time for some fun with the decorating. To decorate, you could use hundreds and thousands, colourful sprinkles, coloured sugar, nuts, or some of the homemade sherbet. Subscribe, like and comment below a favourite sweet treat, or even just say hello.